Today, we're diving deep into the life of one of history's most iconic figures, Abraham Lincoln. You probably know him as the 16th President of the United States who led the country through the Civil War. But trust me, there's so much more to this legendary man than meets the eye. So grab a seat and let's uncover some fascinating facts you might not have learned in history class. Did you know that Honest Abe was also a wrestling champion? That's right! In his younger days in New Salem, Illinois, Lincoln was a formidable wrestler. Legend has it he competed in about 300 matches and lost only one. He was known for his incredible height and long limbs, which gave him a serious advantage. It wasn't just brute strength, though. It was a part of the rough and tumble frontier culture he grew up in. This reputation for strength and fairness actually helped him build his political career. Here's another one for you. Lincoln was a licensed bartender. In 1833, he and a friend named William F. Berry became co-owners of a store in New Salem that was licensed to sell spirits, including liquor, by the drink. The venture didn't last long, but it has a quirky detail that shows a different side of the man who would later lead a nation. Can you imagine ordering a drink from a future president? It's a pretty wild thought. Beyond his physical prowess and brief bartending career, Lincoln was a huge animal lover. The Lincoln family had a menagerie of pets at the White House, including dogs, cats, ponies, and even a pair of goats named Nanny and Nanko. Lincoln was especially fond of cats and would reportedly feed his cat, Tabby, from the table during formal White House dinners, much to his wife Mary's dismay. He believed that animals had feelings and deserved kindness, a view that was quite progressive for his time. Now, let's talk about his inventive side. Lincoln is the only U.S. president to ever hold a patent. In 1849, long before his presidency, he designed a device to help lift boats over shoals and obstructions in a river. He whittled a model of his invention with his own hands, and you can still see it today at the Smithsonian. While his invention was never commercially successful, it shows his brilliant, problem-solving mind at work. He was always thinking about how to improve things, a quality that would serve him well in the Oval Office. But perhaps one of the most poignant facts is about his voice. We have no recordings, of course, but contemporary accounts describe his voice as being high-pitched and reedy, not the deep, booming voice we might imagine. When he delivered the Gettysburg Address, one of the most famous speeches in American history, his voice was said to have carried across the crowd with a unique, almost musical quality. It's a reminder that a person's power isn't in the tone of their voice, but in the strength and truth of their words. From a champion wrestler and animal lover to a patented inventor, Abraham Lincoln was a man of incredible depth and surprising talents. His journey from a log cabin to the White House is a story of resilience, intellect, and profound humanity. He faced unimaginable challenges, but led with courage and a clear moral vision that continues to inspire us today. What's your favorite Lincoln fact? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next historical deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.